Let's go through the Surveys on the Go app. It's in the top charts right now. So as you can see, it's number one in lifestyle charts. And it's about Pinterest, Tinder. Yeah, it's like pretty amazing. Um, so this app is about that you can make extra cash with premium surveys. So you can complete some easy surveys and just while you're standing in the queue in supermarket waiting for a flight or just commuting, you can just complete the surveys and earn like $1, $2, $5, $10. It just depends, and then it just adds up, and then you can get this cash and get like $20 or something like that. So it's not that much, but still fun. And then you can get like a free coffee or something like that. Service on the Go app will help you make money on the go when you're bored at home out shopping. You have the chance to earn some free, easy money, real cash, not points. However, you need to know that most surveys will pay you way less than $10. Usually it will be just $1, even like 50 cents. Rarely up to like $3 or $5. So you need to really do a lot of surveys to earn some decent income with this. You need to then another thing, when you create an account, you need to enable your location to track your location at all times. So that can be a bit annoying and that can drain your battery. And then you need to enable all notifications. So that's that. Then there you have it. Then you can redeem your payment, and that's it. The other thing is that this app is only working in I think United States. So if you're traveling or something, you won't be able to take this survey. So for example, I'm in Europe and it says currently there are no surveys. Making sure notifications are on will ensure you're immediately alerted about new surveys. So that's basically how the app looks like. You just have all the surveys here. And then you will receive some surveys in this inbox notification and then in your support chat. Then you will see how much you have earned. You can redeem it, and then you can redeem this amount. You can see the payout history, transaction history. You can see your profile. So this is your profile. You can enable your location services, and you need to check it out for always. Then you can enable digital surveys. Let us notify you of paid web activity by surveys by sharing your app and web activity. So you can also enable that. So you can also do that. I don't know what exactly this is in digital service VPN. So maybe they're just using your data or something like that. So I don't know if it is completely safe to enable that and give access to this app. I don't have access to all information, like to be completely sure. So just you can do it at your own risk. Then of course you can just refer friends. So if I want to send someone an invite to this app, this is how it looks like. There is no referral code, so you won't be able to earn revenue by referring people. So no. Then there is a support center. You can just reach out to them. So that's basically it. To redeem, you need to earn at least $10 before payout. You have these options: Amazon.com gift card, prepaid Visa rewards. So that's basically it. I don't know if this is Visa card or some kind of Visa reward which you need to redeem and you lose something to commission or something. Then there is Starbucks gift card, and then there is PayPal. You must have a PayPal account in order to receive survey payments. PayPal is safe. So if you currently have a PayPal account, make sure this email address is assigned to your account to receive money. So that's basically that. Yeah, this is an overview. Just make sure that you enable geolocation and then that you are located in, I think, United States only, because otherwise in the world it's not working. And if you are traveling, you won't be able to get access to the service at this moment. So that's basically an overview.